Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to search for a particular word in our audio file transcription using Assembly AI's speech to text APIs. So you can see the code here. In this code, we are actually getting the complete transcription results here. You can see here I am printing the first 100 characters. Okay, now let's say you want to search for a particular word, let's say something like episode. You want to search in the entire transcription results. So for that, what we can do is we just need to modify this endpoint. Let's copy this entire stuff and I will paste it in a new cell here. Here, what we have to do is we have to give slash word search and the question mark and what are the words that we want to search. So for example, I want to search for episode. That's all I want to do. Now let's run this one. It ran successfully. Now if you print response.json, we'll get it. See, matches text episode. How many times it repeated it? Only one time. And if you see, it will give you the timestamp as well over here. And let's try one more example. This time instead of episode, I will give talks. Let's rerun this one and response.json. See, talks also one time and index, if you see, it's 1. So why it is 1? So talks is a second word in the transcription results. That's how, guys, that's how we can search for a particular word using Assembly AI's speech to text APIs. It's not only one word. We can search for multiple words with just a comma separated. So let me modify this talks, comma, and I will give the episode here itself. Now if you run this one, see here, total we got 2 and matches. The first entry is for talks and the details of the talks word, and similarly for episode as well. So you can search for n number of words using this endpoint. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to know more about Assembly AI, please check out their website.